Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make wine cocktails using an easy method. First, select a light-bodied wine, such as a crisp Sauvignon Blanc or a fruity Pinot Noir, as your base. Next, gather fresh ingredients like sliced oranges, berries, or peaches to enhance the flavor. Finally, choose a mixer like sparkling water, ginger ale, or a fruit juice to add effervescence and sweetness. This simple approach ensures a delicious and refreshing drink every time. For a perfectly balanced wine cocktail, aim for a 1-to-1 ratio of wine to your chosen mixer. Fresh herbs, such as a sprig of mint or a few basil leaves, can introduce a delightful aromatic layer. If you desire more complexity, a small splash of a complementary liqueur, like an orange triple sec or a peach schnapps, can elevate your drink. These thoughtful additions transform a simple cocktail into something special. To ensure your wine cocktail is perfectly refreshing, chill all your ingredients thoroughly before you begin mixing. When combining, gently stir the cocktail rather than shaking, which helps preserve any carbonation from your mixer. For a professional touch, garnish your drink with a slice of fresh fruit, a few berries, or an elegant herb sprig. These small details make a big difference in presentation and enjoyment. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with various fruit and wine combinations to discover your new favorite cocktail. A dash of aromatic bitters can add a sophisticated layer of flavor, transforming a simple drink into a complex experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy crafting your personalized wine cocktails and impressing your guests with these easy, delicious recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.